So the Commander-in-Chief and the President of the EFF, Julius Sello Malema, will be addressing the nation now at 12 in a press conference of the EFF. This press conference of the EFF feels different compared to any other press conferences of the EFF following that he was found guilty of all the 5 charges in the discharging of firearm in 2018 in East London when EFF was celebrating its its 5th anniversary, if I'm not mistaken. So he's been found guilty by the magistrate Olivia in Eastern Cape. Then now it will go to appeal. We all know that. But why is it feeling different compared to any other press conference of the EFF? It's that there are possibilities that Julius Malema have analyzed the case and realized that there is no way that he's gonna win that case. So he decided to resign today because there's a statement that he said in the collective meeting of the EFF CCT leaders last week, if I'm not mistaken, where he said he is happy to form part of that collective, or he was happy to form part of that collective, even if they arrest him to fulfill the wishes of Donald Trump. Vele, he was just a vessel of ideas that led with the EFF collective and all those kind of things, which is one of the saddest statement ever, and it raises that anxious and that thing. Is he going to be arrested? Is it a way of Julius Malema saying to fighters, guys, bye-bye, I'm going to prison? Or he decides not to contest the decision of Judge Olivia that he's going to be given? Because for sure, they're not going to give him a suspended sentence. As a matter of fact, yes, he's the first time offender because there was no case that he was found guilty of and he was criminally charged and criminally sentenced. But the thing is, it still stands that it's the first time offender. So guys, we'll see it as time goes, but I think that this is the most different press conference of the economic freedom fighters. I don't know what you think on your side, but that's what I'm thinking. So can you please share whatever you're thinking on your side in the comment section? But I think Julius Malema wants to address the nation. I'm thinking what he's trying to psychologically prepare the members of the economic freedom fighters, because even if anything happens to him, even if he's arrested, the members of the economic freedom fighters, they must be prepared psychologically. And I don't know whether he's trying to avoid what happened when Zuma was arrested in 2021, because he knows the power that fighters have. You know, one thing that I noted is that fighters, they can do anything to protect Julius Malema, even if it cost them to go to prison with him. I think the correctional services have more than 1 million spaces, because if Julius Malema doesn't prepare the fighters, things might get terribly worse. So we will see how things unfold. And if they give him a less sentence, they must know that they will be setting a wrong narrative whereby people will commit similar crimes and then after that and expect to be given the same sentence that Julius Malema was given. And they can argue that in the case of Julius Malema versus AfriForum, this was the number of years that Julius Malema was given if they appeal when they are given more years. So I don't know what you guys think, but I'm thinking that Julius Malema wants to psychologically prepare the members of the EFF on whatever that is happening. By the way, I'm gonna come and make a video for you later on that I will clarify everything, because I'm waiting for the press conference. I will be watching the press conference and I will be analyzing each and every statement of that press conference. So each and every sentence of that press conference needs to be listened with caution, and I'm going to be listening to that. I know that EFF is going to appeal. I don't know, unless there's something else that Julius Malema has decided to do, like changing his mind from appealing and all those kind of things, or when he got legal advice so that it will be a waste of money to appeal, but just accept the sentence that is given and serve it in prison and whatever. But we will see as time moves. Time will tell what's the way forward. But for now, all I'm gonna say is that we will analyze the statement, and then after that I will come and make a video and clarify to you whatever that is happening. I don't know what you guys think, but it seems like umnyama ziyakhala.